I got.
Alright guys, today I have to make this episode again because my voice was clearly not well. I mean my voice was, you couldn't hear my voice wasn't there. But we're gonna be reacting to Angry Grandpa Destroys Microwave.
I got something for the trip to damn Philadelphia.
What'd you get?
Man, damn, you gonna like this, boy. I got something for the.
Like I said, I'll upload both of my videos. I have on subtitles and closed captions so I can hear angry, so I can know what they say, how funny things they say.
Trip to damn Philadelphia.
What'd you get?
Man, damn, you gonna like this, boy. I bought a thermos, man, put my coffee in.
A thermos for what?
To put my coffee in for the trip.
Okay, we have to discuss this trip up to Philadelphia, Bob.
Yeah, we need to talk about it. We gotta figure the road.
Listen,
Wait, let me talk. We gotta go. You do it on Google, right?
Yep.
And you go maps and you draw. What?
We don't need to drive.
What about snow?
We don't need to.
Yeah, we don't have to drive.
That's why, because of snow and stuff. We can't drive to Philadelphia.
I'm driving to Philadelphia, Michael. It's decided.
Seriously, let's just fly.
Fly! Michael, goddamn it! Now listen to me! I am not flying! They just lost a goddamn plane yesterday! They ain't getting my big ass in no goddamn plane!
We have to fly. You can't.
I am not gonna enter the goddamn... I am not gonna enter the goddamn ocean! You understand me?
That's gonna be.
I am not gonna enter the goddamn field! Like goddamn... What's that goddamn guy's name?
Richie Valens.
Yeah! I got vision, man!
This ain't
I called Bob!
Bob.
I see the goddamn plane falling, I'm in it!
I don't care
You know what? No what?
Flying. I'm not dealing with this no more.
I am not flying!
I've already bought the tickets.
What?
We're flying to Philadelphia.
Oh, hell no!
That's.
Oh, hell no! Whoa! Oh, hell no! Michael, no!
I almost spent $1,000 on tickets.
Get your money back, bitch!
We're flying. That's all there is to it, or you're not going. Chill out, dude.
Michael, I am not...
Okay, dude, you need to chill out sometimes. You're flying.
You...
Okay, calm the hell down. It's just a plane.
Get your money back, Michael!
You want to go to Royal Rumble?
Yeah!
Then you're flying, or you're not going. Okay, go. No, come on!
I ain't flying! You understand me? You fly!
That's why I started laughing.
Oh, fuck! Damn it!
See that book, guys. Sorry guys, oh my god.
Damn it!
Dude, where you got freaking the chicken and dumplings? Enough. Don't do anything else. I'm scared.
You was on the fly, bitch!
Jesus Christ, dude.
Let that goddamn microwave fly!
Yeah.
It just flew, but not me.
Well, we're gonna have to talk about this further.
Yeah, we're gonna have to. The video talk is over.
Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, turn on all post notifications bell, comment down there below in the comment box section down below. And yeah guys, see you in the next episode. Yeah, I'm saying this different. I mean, I think. See you in the next episode. And yeah, bye guys, peace. And follow me on all my social medias, and that's the video that It wasn't well, guys. It wasn't very well. But yeah, make sure to do all that, guys. Like, subscribe, turn on all post notifications bell, comment down there below, follow me on all my social medias. And yeah, bye guys. Peace.